Check out this phenomenal renovation at 518 Singletary Place in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg. My name is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com. That's number 4. And you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can also change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. And the inside and outside has been freshly painted. Brand new roof there with architectural shingles. Front porch. I'm excited to show you the inside. Just about everything you're looking at is brand new. Almost all the windows were changed out. Amazing flooring here. Wow. Very attractive. Sunken living room here with a cathedral ceiling. Coat closet there. Wood burning fireplace. And you have your dining room overlooking the living room. And you also have some recessed lighting there. And let's look at it from this angle. This is all really attractive. Brand new fixtures, brand new flooring. And here's the kitchen. And this is amazing. With this pretty tile floor here. Stainless steel appliances. There's a pantry. Subway tile backsplash. Pendant light there over the sink. Track lighting there. Here's a closer look at the backsplash. Love it. And granite counters. Here's the other side of the kitchen. And this is the view from the living room. Heading outside with this tri-level deck here. And that door is some outside storage. There's also another door leading to the master bedroom. And so this here leads to a nearby lake. So you've got fishing right here in your backyard. And also you get on a kayak or a canoe here as well. Some good privacy. There's the foyer again we came in through. And now let's look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. Here's the laundry closet with tile floor. Spacious owner's suite here. And this is your view every morning from your bedroom. And the house is also located in a cul-de-sac, by the way, so you're in the city, close to everything, but when you look at that backyard, it really doesn't feel like it, and it's very quiet. And this is just splendid. Here's a closer look. Vessel bowl sinks on the vanity with a granite countertop, decorative mirrors. Recessed lighting again. Pretty tile floor. Walk-in closet there. And down here's the toilet and shower. And we'll go down the hallway, 2 more bedrooms and another full bath. Here's the final bedroom. And the second full bathroom. Here's the vanity. Well, thanks for watching the tour with me. You can give me a call at 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town, or to have your property listed for sale on my channel. And please check back soon for more videos. Hope you enjoyed the tour.